Hi everyone, it's great to see you here today. My name is Olivia O'Connor and today I'm going to be running you through some basic wood carving techniques. Today's session will be fantastic for beginners. We're going to really start at the beginning and hopefully over time build your skills up and up and up so you'll be carving some really cool projects. So first up, I'm going to go your 4 basic cutting techniques, and then by the end of today's session, we'll put those together to form a simple pattern. So firstly, you're just going to need to know 2 basic different grips. Your first grip is the mallet grip, called because you're going to be holding a mallet. Now I'm right-handed, so most of my strength will come from my right arm and my left hand will do the guiding. So the mallet grip is just simply like that, quite simple. You can see I'm holding it quite low. That's if I want small amount of pressure. If I'm really trying to remove a lot of waste material, I hold the gouge higher and the mallet lower, and I can get a much bigger swing like that. The next grip I'm going to show you that we'll be using today is the double-handed grip. So again, my right hand will be giving me my power. Center of my palm here, end of the gouge there, just like that. My hand just loosely wraps around it. I'm not choking the tool with either hand, and I'm just going to push through like that. Alrighty, so now I'm just going to flip the screen down so you guys can actually see my workbench and we'll get into it. That looks good. Hopefully by the end of the session, we'll also be able to do a quick little Q&A as well. So the first cut I'm going to show you, you guys won't be able to see me hitting the top with the mallet, but you will be able to hear it, is a stop cut. So quite simple. If I really want to be precise where I'm balancing my hand, I can come down lower and I'm just going to tap away like that. Now it's called a stop cut because anything I do into that, it will stop and it won't keep splitting through. Now today, just for ease, for beginners, we're going to be working everything across the grain, but hopefully next time you guys can tune in, we'll be doing a lot on grain direction. So just practice a few stop cuts there like that. And our second cut of 4 that we'll be doing today is a wedge cut. Excuse me. Now this can be done with either two-handed grip or with the mallet grip. And a wedge cut is just quite simply pressure along. Now you'll notice here it's starting to rip a little bit. You can probably hear it as well. So you can really see when it's combined with a stop cut, like that, cut into a stop cut. You can also try a wedge cut across the grain. You can hear I'm starting to get a little bit of resistance, but that's all right. You can just push through there. And our third basic cut for today is a running cut.